All right, good people. So now, once you've dried your turkey fully, you got that joint, you know what I mean? Fully dried up. Inner cavity is wild dried up. You know what I mean? Your outer, your under, everywhere is wild dried. The key to this recipe is to have that thing stupid dry. You know what I mean? You get your 7 spice blend. You know what I mean? Secret in the spice. You heard? And we gonna slather this thing up something crazy. Inside, outside, under, everywhere. We gonna, you know what I mean? We gonna get that season everywhere before we throw him in the fridgy for a 24-hour ski. So that's what we gonna do. We gonna jump right into it, man. You just wanna get him, you know what I'm saying? Everywhere. Wild crazy with it. Wild crazy with it. Wild crazy with it. You don't want to waste no seasoning. You know what I'm saying? Lift that leg. Sometimes you got to lift them legs up, fellas. Lift them legs up. You know what I mean? Bang. Bang. Get that under piece. Get that under piece real crazy. Get that inner. Get that inner. You know what I mean? Get that wing. We're going to come back to that bottom side of the wing in a minute. When it's all said and done, you should have used all of your 7 spice blend. Spin the block, spin the block, spin the block. Get up in that cavity. You see that cavity? She wild crazy up in there, you know what I mean? Now here's the tricky part. You got to get the underneath ski, but you don't want to mess up the integrity of what you've already created. So it's real fragile to bang, 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 you know what I mean? Bang that joint, bang that joint. Bang that joint. And this is what I call the pre-rub, because you gotta think, we're gonna throw this in the fridgy for a 24-hour piece, and then when we take him out tomorrow, that's when we gonna go ahead and inject it, and then after that injection, we're gonna throw one last layer of rub on it for anything that the injection might have oozed out. You know what I mean? Might have messed up. Now you can fix that. So it's highly, highly important. Look at that. Look, look, look. When I played myself, I got some of my wing down there. And here we go. We running out of seasoning. That's why it's pivotal to make a second batch of the 7 spice blend. So that way, you know what I mean, you got it on deck. And if you look, wasted herbs is wasted herbs. That's nothing. Because it's light. It's a couple of hours, you know what I mean? Now you got wild leftover down there, so bomb. Now that's when you're going to just hit him like that. You're going to spin that block on it. Bomb, make sure she good. So, you know. Now that is how you want to hit the turkey off for your pre-season, your pre-marinade rub, basically. You know what I mean? You want that joint to be wild, seasoned up, covered, top to bottom, inside and out. You want that cavity. Look, man, want that cavity be, you know what I mean? So then the next step is we're gonna saran wrap him up, bang, bang. Throw him in the fridge, 24 hours, pull him out. After the 24, inject him. We're gonna come back on the next joint with the injection. Reseason, drop him in oil, and you're gonna have some wildfire. Stay arrogant, people.